if you want to make this time scrolling effect in CapCut in just a few minutes, but thinks it complicated, don't worry. Today I am going to show you how to make this in simple steps, so let's get started.
First of all, you have to connect any VPN. After that, you have to open CapCut and click on New Project, and then you have to import a black background from stock videos and delete the ending. After that, you have to go to Aspect Ratio and select 1:1. Then go to the text option and write the timeline as per your need. Then go to the Styles option, select Glow, and copy the adjustments given on the screen. Then go to the spacing option in Styles and set the option for only characters to 2, and then click on the tick option. And the text has to be equalized according to the black background. First, you have to zoom your timeline and add a keyframe before the text, and go to the end of the text and add a keyframe. Then you have to bring the text to the middle screen with 2 fingers.
After that, you have to go to the Graphs option, select the Quad Ease option, and click on the tick. First, you have to select the font of elegant name by clicking on the Animations option, and then you have to export the video. After exporting, you have to click on New Project and import a black background and delete the ending and change the aspect ratio to 1:1. First, you have to click on Overlay option, then import the video you have exported and fit it on the screen. Then go to Mask option and select Rectangle option and adjust it with some changes. Now you have to export it, and your video is now ready. And also, like and subscribe this channel for such content.